Hey guys, welcome to Interesting Classes. In today's video, you are going to learn something new which is important for your interview room as well as your concept building. Generally, we are habituated of writing a single main method inside a single class. Okay, so here the question is, can we declare more than one main method inside a single class? And what you get from this video is it possible not, yes or no? Or if it is possible to declare more than one main method inside a single class, then what this concept is known as? And is it recommended to declare more than one main method inside a single class? Okay, so you will get these concepts from this video. Okay, let's discuss about. Can we declare more than one main method inside a single class? The answer is yes, we can declare. But it should be different in parameters. Let's take an example. Suppose I want to declare one class test public static void main string args let's suppose some system.out.println. Okay, so write is parameter name, that is string args. Yes, so this is one method, one main method. Can we declare more than one main method? Yes, we can declare, but it should be different in parameters. So here we will change the parameter. It is of integer type. Can we declare more than 2? Yes, we can declare more than n. We can declare n number of main methods dependent upon the requirement. So let's say double. Here it will accept string parameters, it will accept integer parameters, and it will accept double parameters. Let's close the class. And yes, it is possible, we know. Now, if it is possible, what this concept is known as? This concept is known as method overloading. Method with the same name but different in parameters. You can see string args, integer args, double args. Let's change here in system.out.println. It is of integer arguments. If it is print, we will able to know which method has been executed. Integer args and it is of double. Yes. So this concept is known as method overloading, method with the same name but different in parameters. Let's save the file and run. Let's save at desktop with test.java. Save. Yes. Now let's compile this javac test.java. Let's run java test string args. Which method has been executed? String args. Be sure with one concept that we can declare more than one method inside single class, but JVM will call the main method having string parameters. JVM will always call the main method having the string parameter, that is string argument. We can declare n number of main methods according to our requirement, but JVM will always call the main method which is having string arguments. Okay. Now, sir, how to call these two main methods? Yes, simple. Inside string arguments, we can call this main method as is a static method, so we don't have to create an object. We can call directly main, and second is main. As it is a static method, it requires one static variable, static integer. Let's suppose I created an array of 1, 2, 3. We cannot call directly because it requires one integer parameter and it requires one integer argument. So we should pass. I will call another static. Why I am creating one static variable? Because we cannot call a instance variable, or we cannot pass a instance variable to the static method. We know. Okay, so I create another one of type integer, and there is type of double y equal to 1.1 comma 1.2 comma 1.3. So now we can pass the variable x and y. First, this string arguments will be printed. After that, x will be passed here in integer argument, and it will print system.out.println integer args will be printed. After that, main y means this y will be passed. Y is of what type? Double type. So this double method will be called, and it will print double arg. Let's save the file and now run. It compile finds Java test. You can say string args, integer args followed by double args. Yes, so what we learn from this video? That is it possible to declare? Yes, it is possible. And what this concept is known as? This concept is known as method overloading. Method with the same name but different in parameters. Is it recommended to declare more than one method or more than one main method? No. It is never recommended because it creates confusion to the programmer. Okay. Thank you.